Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to upgrade your Windows 10 computer to Windows 11. Your computer is compatible and it gives you an option to upgrade to Windows 11, but when you try to upgrade it you're receiving this error message that is we couldn't install this update but you can try again, and the error code is 0xc1900223. So if you're receiving this error code when you try to upgrade to Windows 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now, the first step is to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Now over here, you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now. Now run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now click on accept and install, and you should be able to upgrade to Windows 11. In case Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not coming up, in that case go to the download location. So go to downloads, make a right click on Windows 11 Installation Assistant, then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for. Put a check over here, select Windows 7 from the list, then click on apply. OK, then make a double click and then click on accept and install, and that should help you to upgrade to Windows 11. But still you are receiving some kind of error message. In that case, use media creation tool. So go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So using media creation tool should help you to upgrade to Windows 11, but still you are unable to do so. In that case, you can use USB flash drive to install Windows 11 on your computer. For this, you can copy this YouTube link. I made a separate video on how to do a clean installation, how to install Windows 11 using USB flash drive. So you can open this YouTube link in a browser and then follow the steps from here, and it will show you how to use USB flash drive to install Windows 11. So one of the steps should help you to get rid of this error and upgrade to Windows 11 on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.